Hi everyone, I'm Esme. Here's a 1-minute product update about the latest Coveo Case Assist experience. Let's say your customer wants to log a case to customer support. We recommend that the very first thing to ask them is to give their case a title and simply describe their problem. Notice the description strength indicator updating as the case gets more details. We've also provided our customer with a simple list of key elements that are expected to be included in the description. Next, instead of having the customer scan several values in a long pick list and burden them with deciding the correct one to classify their case, Coveo's case classification is able to automatically suggest values and feature them as large buttons to narrow down the choices. We can even auto-select the value that we are most confident accurately classifies the case. This makes the experience much smoother for the customer and increases the accuracy of the case information. Once we've gathered all the information about the case, Coveo's document suggestions automatically surfaces content that is relevant to the case. We allow users to preview this content without leaving the site and give feedback about the content to help others find it more easily. This increases the chances of deflecting the case before it's submitted. Notice that we've been transparent about the steps involved in creating the case by providing a progress bar at the top of the page. Now all the customer has left to do is either click to submit or to cancel their case. Thanks for listening.